Hello everyone, welcome to my new series, Can We Pull It Off, where I try out viral makeup trends to see if they work for us ladies with mature skin. Today we're tackling the Foxy, or winged eyeliner. Join me in recreating this look to see if we can pull it off. Starting off, I'm using a neutral brown shadow with a small tapered blending brush, extending the shadow outward, following the natural shape of my eye and aiming up toward the tail of my brow. I'm not bringing this into my crease, so it's more narrow and lifted. Next, I'm blending in a black color along that same spot and blending with a large blending brush to soften the edges. Now for the wing. I'm using a black liquid liner to draw a thin line starting at the outer corner of my eye and stamping it upwards. The key here is to keep the line below where your eyelid hoods and keep your eyes open looking straight ahead. If you struggle with keeping the line even, try looking straight ahead into the mirror while you draw the wing, or use the silicone stencil I used in the beginning. I'm now going in with some micellar water and a Q-tip and cleaning up the edge with some concealer and finishing out the look with a lengthening mascara to really open up the eyes. And here's the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Did we pull it off? I think so.